And God told him to bring 2 of every sort. Not 2 of every species. 2 of every sort. He said, bring them after his kind, after their kind, after his kind, after his kind. I mean, the Bible's, real clear on the topic. You bring the kinds of animals, not the species. And you only have to bring those in whose nostrils was the breath of life, and only those on dry land. Noah did not have to bring any fish on the ark. They had plenty of water outside, okay? He also did not have to bring any bugs on the ark because bugs don't have nostrils. Bugs breathe through their skin, through spiracles. Insects were not required to be on the ark. Insects can survive a flood just fine. Go any place where there's been a flood, after the water goes down, walk out into the mud and tell me the first thing you notice. Bugs by the bazillions, right? Yeah, insects did not have to go on there. Some of them might have been on there, but they didn't have to be. Noah did not take 400 pairs of dogs on the ark. Noah probably never saw a chihuahua in his life. Why did somebody do that to the dog? All that special breeding to create a dog that's 100% useless. Noah probably just had a generic dog like my dog Nicky. We had Nicky for 12 years before I knew what kind of dog it was. A friend of mine came to the house one day and he said, "Hovind, you have got a full-blooded Canardly." I said, "A what?" He said, "Your dog, look at that, that's a Canardly." I said, "It is?" He said, "Well, look at it, man, you can hardly tell what kind of dog it is." Oh yeah, full-blooded Canardly, yep. Probably the horse and the zebra had a common ancestor, like this Mexican textbook says. And I would agree, the horse and the zebra had a common ancestor, but it looked like a horse, okay? 4-wheel drive, genuine leather upholstery, I mean, all the horse equipment, okay? Skeptics say, how did Noah fit those millions of animals onto the ark? Well, in the first place, he only brought land animals, okay? Secondly, you bring those with nostrils, no bugs. Thirdly, you bring babies. Now, that's just plain old common sense, right? Fourthly, you bring 2 of each kind, not every single variety. And since God made the kinds, and God told Noah how big to build the boat, I bet God had it kind of figured out, about what size to make it, Plus,